Hi guys!
Florida Parks After Dark. And we are here at
Port Orleans French Quarter.
because it is almost Mardi Gras. And we know you guys want to know where to go for Mardi Gras at Walt Disney World. So come along. We're going to give you guys a tour.
Enjoy.
All right guys, so we are here and we're gonna walk in through the lobby. Now you'll notice right away, what is awesome about this resort is all the ironwork. The front has a ton of ironwork. The railings are all iron. It is awesome. But at the same time, we're gonna watch Minnie go by.
Pretty Minnie.
Nope, we're gonna go first. So, if you've ever been to New Orleans, what they do have throughout the entire city are these heavy iron feel. And it's just great. Listen to the jazz music. It really set the tone walking in the door. Thank you much. All right, so as we get into the lobby, you see immediately, great little fountain in front, welcoming you as you walk in. And then they have the jesters up there with their signs. Port Orleans Resort, celebrating Mardi Gras. And then we come over this way, my friends. This is where check-in is, registration, as you can tell. And this is where obviously we check in. And then down that way is the arcade. We'll take a quick peek at that. I don't think in any of the videos we've shown you guys, we've shown you the arcade. It's kind of it's a small, we'll just peek through the door. It's a small arcade. Some good old-fashioned pinball machines, some driving games, some shooting games. It's really just tiny, but what they do have here, which is really outstanding, is Jackson Square. Jackson Square is a great little store. So we're gonna go straight through real quick, give you guys a quick overview. It's a big store, and I think that's what makes it very awesome. They carry a great array of Port Orleans products. They have a great selection of loungeflies, and what is awesome is this. This is what really makes the entire store. The beignet all day, loungefly, beignet all day, beignet all day. Saying what?
They have Easter rolls.
And wait a minute. Well, first let's do this, and then they have Mardi Gras. Wow. Okay, now we haven't seen this. This is all new. Mardi Gras is coming out, so this is a great Mardi Gras sip. Metal cup. $27.99. But then this bag, that's brand new. So it's New Orleans. It has it's a city scene. It's $128. And then they have the parade shirts. They have the parade scarves. It is really very, very impressive. But like we had said in a second, right around Mardi Gras is Easter, and you got the Mickey Easter Bunny. Oh my God. First he's winking at you. That's awesome. He's wearing a bunny onesie, gnawing on his carrot. He's $29.99. He's amazing. And then go down one more. You got Minnie sucking on the bunny's ear. It must be baby Minnie, I'm guessing, who's in her onesie. So let's put them together. Look at that cute. That is a very cute couple. And so they have those, which is awesome. I'll come back to it now. They also just have a great selection of just ongoing other stuffies, which is fantastic. Keychains. They have all the popcorn. And in here somewhere, but they do have here, which is interesting, they do have a whole cooking area, which is different than other stores we have seen, which is really neat. But if you haven't noticed the theme, it's a beignet all day mug. And you know, Florida Parks After Dark, we love our coffee. Good size mug, I'm loving it. $16.99. We love beignets, we love mugs, but guys, I gotta tell you, It also has my least favorite mug. The Mickey hand is the most disturbing mug they have. $24.99. So we're gonna move right by that. And so we'll just peel back around. On the other side of where that purse was, that's what I was looking for. They had the king cake mix. Big tradition in New Orleans. So you got a smaller clutch of that larger purse, and they had this great bag. So really just very impressed with this. Now, I gotta stop and tell you, you wanna know about a mixing bowl? You want a mixing bowl? I found the mixing bowl. Mouseware's product. The sides of it is awesome. It has Minnie and Goofy and Mickey, and they're all cooking as I bang things around, and it is ginormous, but it is a cooking bowl. So obviously, it's just amazing. So that is the store. Back here they have snacks and drinks, and it is just a great store. So guys, listen, George Fuller Parks After Dark. We're off to go check out the rest of the resort, and you guys hang in there for the next event. Okay, so now we're leaving the store and we're on our way back here. So now, registration is behind us. We came into the left, and straight ahead of you is just the greatest areas we gotta share. Floatworks is just the area back here. Sassagoula Floatworks Food Factory is their counter service. So we'll start there. So it has beads on the roof. Obviously Mardi Gras themed. It has a very large open space, but I gotta tell you, it has really outstanding food here. They have great pulled pork, great burgers, create your own entree, which we've seen in other places, which is really great. They have a great dessert menu, and they have full pizza slices, and then they also have they got the gumbo, and they got the jambalaya, and they got shrimp poor boy. So really just a nice spot to grab a bite, sit down and eat, and it really brings this inner courtyard, which we'll show you guys in a second. But we can't leave this area without seeing two more things. And then we're gonna get out of Dodge and head out back and show you what it's like out on the property here. But if we were gonna go to New Orleans themed place, we would have to have beignets. So this is where they actually get the beignets. Now they're Mickey beignets. Let me show you what they look like real quick. So that is what a Mickey beignet looks like. The Mickey ears are fantastic. We've got beignets here more times than I can tell you. Here's a real look at the menu for you. 3 beignets for $7.99, 6 for $12.99. Guys, get 6. Trust me when I tell you, get 6. They also have specialty beignets now and again, and it is really just, they literally make them to order. So you will get a fresh, hot beignet covered in powdered sugar. It is the best. And then there's this. It's a Scat Cat Lounge. It's a jazz club, so it's a bar.
How you doing? Welcome.
Yeah, thank you, sir. It's live music at the Scat Cat Lounge. It's got that whole kind of speakeasy energy. Tables are great, kind of boxed in. They have live jazz music here, but it's a Scat Cat Club. It is outstanding. So that covers the inside. And honestly, for a resort, this middle section here, they've squeezed everything in you could have. Arcades and stores and beignets and places to eat and a bar in one section. Now we're gonna go out back. We're going straight through, so we came through the doors, came out the back, and this is the outside courtyard. So just to orient everybody, to our left is a counter service. To our right is Jackson Square store. We're heading straight out to the courtyard. Now, what is great about this property is all Disney and Disney's theming. They just do it again here. So, in the middle there are these streets. I'm quoting, you can't see the air quotes, there's streets. The streets are obviously just paths you walk on, but it's the way it is. It's these real narrow streets. And they have these horse heads all up and down. That's actually where you would tie your horse off way back in the day. Around each of these, down these roads are the buildings, the outlying buildings that all the rooms are in. But they have these guys, jazz playing gators, man. You cannot beat this with a stick. They do look like they would eat you. But so there's 4 of them playing jazz as you walk down. And they are awesome by far. And they're welcoming you to the pool. Before the pool, however, there's Mardi Rocks. It's a great little bar area, and during football season they would show a lot of football here. It was amazing. And then there's the pool. So the pool is interesting, and I really got to spend some time sharing with you what makes the pool interesting. First off, you come into the Jester, the Mardi Gras Jester, and you end up having another one of those gators with his umbrella. But then you have this back of a sea monster that comes down, dives back under, comes up here, goes back under, comes back over there, and it runs over yonder. We would say Poseidon's riding on top, and out of the mouth of that sea serpent is the slide that goes back in the pool area for the little guys. Okay, there's a sea serpent. Now, I don't know if you guys know Mardi Gras very well, but there's really no sea serpents in Mardi Gras. So what we have, oh, by the way, there's one more jazz band of gators. Let me get you up close. So under that shell of spring water, there's a little mini jazz band. So they followed through with the jazz theme with the sea monster. Okay. Obviously, when they rethemed the resort, the sea monster was here, and they left him in, intermixed the gators, and it just made it great. Now, what I want to show you is that's one of the buildings. They have the metal railing again, that steel wrought iron railing. They're 3-story tall. The outside just really looks very, very genuine to New Orleans and that area where the buildings are built, the narrow streets. They did such a nice job here. We're just very impressed. Now listen, Mardi Gras is coming. It's weeks away. And if you want to have a party, but not have to deal with the crowds and all the chaos that comes with New Orleans, guys, this would be a fantastic option. Because they're gonna have, what they have is a Mardi Gras parade that goes down through the street. Some golf carts, and they throw beads and all that. And it's just really, really done very well. So guys, listen, as we walk back towards reception, this is one of the resorts that has a central building where we just walked through, and all the outbuildings go on either side where you can stay. And what is great about this resort is it does connect to a sister resort. And I'll show you the map, and I'll give you at least a sense on the spacing of it. So it's Port Orleans French Quarter. Let me do that guy on. And Port Orleans Riverside. They're connected. So they're connected. So basically, Port Orleans and French Quarter is French Quarter. Riverside is more the traditional south with large mansion feel, and it's a much different energy. They're connected by internal roads. And there's a carriage that goes from one side to the other. And there's boat transportation from here to Disney Springs. It's awesome. So, guys, George Florida Parks After Dark. We are here at the French Quarter, Port Orleans. It is one of our favorite places. And as we get to Mardi Gras, I encourage you strongly to come see it, come stay at it, come experience it. Do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and guys, you have a fantastic day. We'll talk to you later.